Hi there. Nikola is traded below the cash on hand. The market cap right now is about $123 million, as you can see here. And if you look at their balance sheet, they have close to 200 million in cash. You can see here, cash and cash equivalents, 200 million. So the market cap is traded below the cash on hand. But why the stock price is down over 90% year to date? Why is this? Well, the answer is simple, but I'll tell you later. Because there are some people that believe in the future of Nikola. And they are right. I mean, Nikola has high potential, quite a lot. From a market cap of 120 million, they can go up to more than 1 billion. As you can see here. By the way, if you know, Nikola is selling trucks, hydrogen trucks and electric trucks. You can only see here the market size for electric trucks in the US, only in the US. In 2020, the value was about 1.6 billion. But this market is expected to go to 217 billion by 2032. A compound annual growth rate over 71%, as you can see here or here. So the potential for Nikola is quite huge. Moreover, don't forget that Nikola is not selling only electric trucks, but also hydrogen trucks, where the market size is expected to increase a lot from 2024 to 2031. As you can see here, from close to 5 billion to 62 billion. Another compound annual growth rate over 43%. So they have two markets, electric trucks and hydrogen trucks. And on top of this, be aware that Nikola is building their infrastructure for refueling those hydrogen trucks. They are building those HYLA stations. This is an important competitive advantage because nobody will want to buy a hydrogen truck if they don't have a station to refuel their trucks. So Nikola is pursuing this strategy. Now, this is their opportunity, as you've seen. Huge market size, huge growth rate for all of their products. But still the stock price is down 92%. Why is that? You have to ask the question, why the stock price has declined so much? Well, as you've seen the reward, you also have to look at the downside. What's the risk? Because it's obvious. They have a lot of room to grow. Everybody knows this. I mean, almost everybody, especially you who are watching this video. You have an advantage over the others. Now, you have to ask the question, what's the problem with this company? Why the stock price doesn't go up when there is such huge opportunity? You have to understand one thing. Nikola, in order to grow their business, they need a lot of funds to invest in their business, in their infrastructure, build their station, HYLA stations, and their plants. If you look at trucks produced, you can see a huge increase compared to last year. And trucks shipped. And also the revenue has increased a lot, from less than 0 to 25 million. That's a huge improvement. But still, as you can see, total revenue is about 25 million for the last quarter, but the loss was close to 200 million. I think you can also do the same business. Spend 200 million and you produce 25 million. I think many people can do that. To spend 200 million and earn 25 million. Many people can do that. To have a business with huge losses. Now, as I said, the most important thing for Nikola is their investments in infrastructure. That's why you see those huge losses. If the management is efficient in their operations, they invest for the long term, they know how to deal with other players, stakeholders, then Nikola has chances to survive and take advantage of this huge opportunity for both markets, electric truck and hydrogen truck, but only if they have good management. For the moment, they will need a lot of money to grow their business. Even though the market cap is traded below the cash on hand, as you can see here, they still need a lot of money to fund those losses. Be aware of those losses, 200 million. So this cash will be used in 1 quarter. Be aware of this. And by the way, they have 200 million in cash, but you also have to look at their debt, which is over 270 million. Be aware of this. And to answer the first question of my video, why the stock price has declined so much, is because of dilution. Here you can see the number of shares outstanding. At the end of 2023, they had 270 million in shares. But this number has increased to over 500 million. They issued more shares to fund their operations. I mean, they raise money from investors like you or others who invested at a higher price. For instance, when it was about $20, and their money was used to fund their business. If they succeed with this business, with their plans to expand their business, invest in their plans, and deliver more ships, then the stock price will rebound. The market cap can go up from 100 million to over 1 billion. That's possible only if you have great management, good management. Take care of their operations efficiently. But if they don't, then that will be bad for shareholders, current shareholders, and future investors that want to take advantage of Nikola. The market size, as you can see, their opportunity or their TAM, total addressable market, is quite huge. But you also have to be aware of the management if it's capable to deliver good results in the future. Because if they don't, you'll get burned like this. When the stock price was close to $2,000, and then a decline like this. Total loss. And you don't want this. So if you are planning to invest in Nikola, you have to be aware first of the risk, the downside, how much money you can lose, which can be bankruptcy, total loss, and the reward. But of course, the reward can be quite high, but you also have to be aware of the probability. What are the chances of success for this company, Nikola? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the future of Nikola? Do they have 1% chances to succeed, 10%, or 20%? Or maybe more? Let me know in the comments what you think about this company, Nikola. By the way, they also have some incentives from the government. You can see here, in California, up to or close to 300,000 per truck. In Texas, even more than that, and New York. So the government is supporting drivers or fleets to invest in electric trucks and hydrogen trucks. But pay close attention. Nikola also competes with other players. Tesla Semi, if you remember the product, and other producers. Be aware of this. They are not alone. I mean, Nikola is not the only company that won't take advantage of this huge opportunity. You have to be aware of that. Also of the competition. Not only if the management can deliver good results in the future. So that's it for this video, and if you have other questions, please let me know in the comments.